I am from coming Google SEO. So it means depending on the Google SEO how it is going on. So SEO means it's a maybe search engine optimization. Is a like yeah. SEO it's very good for the coming generation to the web generation. It's maybe then going on the future. It's very population of the world. So SEO is very most important of life. So SEO is the Google how it is coming to the next generation. Will teach that on the demo how is going on to the by next level. So SEO means it's a very search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, we are giving the classes in the different mode of operations. So it maybe know how is we get the people then interact then love it know so maybe know how to develop the generation to the web concept. It's maybe SEO we are giving them offer them training then especially particular the SEO and then Google AdSense. How to then connect the Google AdSense. So it's maybe Google AdSense. I am the first 15 years back. I am the learn the Google AdSense. So it's maybe a very difficult things is then take a lot it's a very long process. So nowadays it's very the common thing of that Google AdSense which will coming on the by chance to the learn who not able to the that we are giving to them Google how to explanation of this the particular things will be going out on of its like maybe I'll check that if you want you can see in I'll give it a demo or particular things. So it's maybe very difficult in SEO search engine optimization. So it's maybe the different things in the optimizations to the call is back. No. Right. These particular things we will go down the demo. It's very difficult. It's no that's a SEO training we are giving in Hyderabad. In the worldwide, then I respect then how many it's very the population of the people will taking trainings in our branches, even offices, whatever maybe. It's in particular of things is we going then one after the SEO. Again we will teach them YouTube, Google AdSense. Particular things will be right of this special things will be given the demo classes. So what we are giving to the demo classes, we will going to the first we are offering the demo the SEO, SMEO, or PPC, PTC, like these are things we give like maybe again then we will YouTube also. So that particular things we are taken that these events will particulars handling that give a classes is going on very difficult things will happenings. More people attract that how it will get the documentations like the blogs which is the blogs is going on like the PPC. Or like the Google, Google will attract people will at least once or twice in the Google AdSense, blogs, YouTubes, or like the WordPress, then SMEO, or like then SEO. SEO means is the concept by the search engine optimization. We take the like a website in the first page in the top of the page in the first in line in the first page is the SEO it will come. Then search engine optimization is the do the specialist in worldwide. It's very big sector then, which is taken the contents like the PPC. So the PPC give a number of continents of the life. So for example, blogs. When the blog is then taken with the number of blogs you can create then under the the Gmail account, you can connect with your particular details. So like the YouTube. YouTube is the many videos you can upload then whatever the genuine videos. You don't copy that, then copy content, the copyright videos and copy nothing to accept the Google. So we give it the which is minimum 1 minute to then 1 hour videos in uploading the YouTube. So that we are giving the particular things. Then again the WordPress. So the SMS process will be going on. This is the particular things is going on the next level. What is then given the process of length, in between of like SEO, SMEO, the YouTube. This is the blogs are we are given. Again the next blog or take a like it's very difficult things will give it. Then particular things they given by the that's we are given this classes is going on and Hyderabad and especially the very popular of these event sections. So we are giving that classes. That's very much the number of students. We give them batches of the list which is taken the identity the proofs. The proofs or the mention. This is particular of the proofs. Or that's the Google is given by the proofs will be taken the class maybe like see this. These particular things we are giving to the offer, which is a material we are providing. This type of like this conducting of the level. Then given the certificate course, then what is going, we or the discuss with our exams. Again, the level of the who is taken of responsibility to learn these particular things. So we are the rules and regulations. We will learn how the Google AdSense will connect to the people. So that we are giving them special trainings process. Especially the number of batches in we are giving them process. So that we given particular things that are shown. I am very appreciating to the Google. So like the PPC, then SEO classes. That's the main important and SEO classes is we are given very much the declarations. Then speak to SMEO, the LinkedIn, all the blogs, YouTube, the Google Plus, Twitter Plus, LinkedIn, the Facebook. That we are given very classes to the very populations to the very good and very thanks a lot to them coming to the year for taking the batches, very good training, the very and give a bless to the new bring the world to the generation of the Google to them. This the Google will never fails. That's very important things is going we are teaching. That's very simple and that's very well and thanks a lot. Bye bye.